Hi friends, as requested, the topic for today is resume building. Most of you are planning to apply for a job, or some of you are planning to change a job. So let us look at the first important thing. What is a resume? Well, I personally believe it is a ticket to your interview because you have to pass through this 6-second test. Until and unless your resume is shortlisted, forget the rest. It is something which sets your first impression to the potential employer. And the definition of a resume is that it is a summary of your experiences for those who have worked at some position at some point of time. Well, there are certain elements of a resume which you must make a note of. The first and the foremost is personal statement, or which is also known as the career objective. Now this one is the most important statement. Reason is, this is one statement where you must define what is actually that you are looking for while applying for a job in that particular organization. And this statement has to be different. Please stop copying from each other. Well, personal details, educational qualifications, professional experience, technical qualification, core competencies, area of expertise. Yes, it is very important because this will help people to understand that this is one area where he or she is good at. Achievements, you can always mention all those things where you have excelled. Maybe you have got a certificate or trophy, or you have stood first in some competition. Do mention that. For those who have presented papers or written books, please do mention. References, you only mention if asked for. Well, you must remember to customize your resume. There is no need to send the same format, same resume at n number of places. You have to actually look at what is the thing that the employer is looking for, and according to that you have to make the changes. And remember to be careful with the dates and the designations mentioned. Well, one more important element is, how do I go about printing my resume? So please remember the standard font nowadays which we use is Calibri, and 12 is the right font size. Next important thing is, nowadays we are also encouraging the youth to come up with visual or video profile, which is very much interestingly done, and it helps you to make an impact and influence others. So all the best, stay connected, and let me know if you have any queries or any further issues. Thank you, all the best.